So we continue our journey. We trained our drill boar also, and we're ready to face this guy here. He has a Beedrill, which is good because we have drill boar, which is a ground type. So as you can see, we did our training because we're going to have a difficult battle versus Lenora on this video. Lenora is the gym leader of the next city. You are going to see. Quick attack, okay, scratch, and Bleach is down. Repel, because there are about to appear around 300 Pokemon before we reach this antidote. Okay, here is also Cheren. Are we going to face him? No. He just told us that in this dark grass there are 2 Pokemon you can fight, so let's face this Woobat. Scratcher. Fortunately, Metal Claw that my drill boar learned is not stab, because drill boar is pure ground, so it won't do very good damage. Another trainer here. No, here. As I told you on this video, we are going to have a difficult battle versus Lenora, which may have say normal type Pokemon, which seems easy because I have Pignite, but it's not that easy because she has Stoutland, not Stoutland, thank God not Stoutland. She has Herdier with Intimidate, and she also has Patrat, so it won't be easy at all to beat her. Let's get this Awakening. I guess that after some battles with Odino I will be ready to face her. Now we're facing this guy here. He has Bidoof, Metal Claw. In case you don't know, Odino is an easy way to do some training. Of course, no, it's a little nasty, but I have no other choice. I must train in order to be able to face Lenora. Here you can see how you can find Odino. If you run here before some grass, let's... No! Ah, he didn't left. Here is Odino, that gives you a lot of experience points, earn trust. As I told you, this is a little nasty, but I have no other choice. It's a fine way to train. You can see how much it gave us. It almost gave us a level. I cannot resist to that, to be honest. So I'm going to train here in order to go face Lenora, the leader of this region. Are we going to face Cheren now? No, we're not. He gave us Chesto Base, okay. We have to do some training. We have a fighting type. If you don't have a fighting type, you can go into its outside Pinwheel Forest. There you can fight Gurdur, Shock and Throg. These are good choices to face Lenora. Okay, we will do some training and we will be back to face Lenora. So here we are, we continue after beating some Odinos. We can do it, I guess. We have to face N first. N is full of philosophy. He always tells something very clever. Okay, I like N. Let's face this Bidoof, Metal Claw, and another Metal Claw, and Bidoof is down. Next was in Team No, this is water type, it's obvious. Okay, Fury Swipes. Bubble Beam, fuck. And Fury Swipes, and it is down. I got to give in that he doesn't use items, by the way. And now this Drill Boar. Team Boar, not Drill Boar. No, I have to switch out because he went for the bite. I'm sorry. Unleashed Energy, okay, didn't do a lot. Arm Thrust. And Dream Boar, whatever his name is down, but he's a good choice, as I told you before, in order to face Lenora if you don't have Pignite. Of course, if you are well trained, and you know the way to be well trained, you can face her either with your starter, either with Herdier. If you have a Herdier, it is good. With Intimidate, if you have Herdier, check out that it must have Intimidate, which is far better than Sandrush, which is of course competitive. It may be what makes Stoutland good, but in game Intimidate is by far better. And now I guess we're ready to go have the gym challenge. Here they have normal type Pokemon, so I guess it is time for my Pignite. Okay, Pignite. My Pignite is 22. I think I'm a little over leveled, so it won't be a problem. I hope it won't. Face this guy first. He has Pachotat, Arm Thrust, and Patrat is down. Now you have to read this book here. Now you have to go up, read the second book. No, here it is. Read this book. Go fight this girl. No, go fight this girl here. She has Herdier, which is good. This is going to give us a level actually. Arm Thrust 3 times and Herdier is down and we are 23. Roll out, yeah, why not? Oh, I never use Odor Sleuth, so why not have this rock type move? It's a little liability, because the power of rollout depends on how many times you have moved on a row you have used this move, but I never use Odor Sleuth, so it might be it might help me, it might not. Let's face this girl here. She has Lillipup. I hope I will do it with my first try. Okay, Flame Charge. Lillipup is of course down. She has a team full of Lillipups, I guess. Flame Charge and it is down too. Yes, team full of Lillipups. Another Flame Charge. It goes down. Let's read the book. It's a switch. So here we are, ready to face Lenora. I want to avoid the Intimidate. This is why I lead with my Drillbur versus Herdier. I lead with my Drillbur because I want to avoid Intimidate, as I told you. Let's do some damage to it first. Metal Claw. He goes for the Leer. Okay, now it's time for my Pignite. It goes for the Leer. He lowers my defense. This is not good, I guess. I go for the Arm Thrust and Herdier is down. And next one, Dig, of course Dig. Dig, of course Dig. Let's forget Fury Swipes. And next one is Watchog. I go for the Arm Thrust. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we did it. We did it. We did it. Watchog is done and we are 24. We did it. We beat it Lenora. And we are ready to progress our journey. Of course, Team Plasma is about to fuck with us again. Now you are going to see they are going to steal the skeleton that was outside on the museum and we have to go after them. Here we have to go to the Pinwheel Forest, and on the Pinwheel Forest we're about to add a new team member to our team. This will happen on the next video.